Hello student, in this problem a Venn bridge is given and we know that the Venn bridge is used for calculation of the measurement of the frequency in the system. And we have to prove that whenever our system will be in balance condition, then the frequency will be f equals to 1 upon 2 pi square root of R2, R4, C2 and C4. We have to prove that the frequency will be 1 upon 2 pi square root of R2, R4, C2 and C4. So first we have to calculate the effective impedance of the system. So assume this is our Z1, this is Z2, this is Z3 and this is Z4. So what about the Z1? Z1 equals to R1 and Z2 equals to R2 plus 1 upon j omega C2. Z2 equals to R2 plus 1 upon j omega C2 and Z3 will be R3. Fine. Z3 will be R3 and the Z4 equals to, in branch of Z4, the resistance R4 and C4 are connected in parallel. Then we can solve by apply the parallel combination rule. Then R4 parallel 1 upon j omega C4. So Z4 equals to R4 upon j omega C4 upon j omega C4 LCM in denominator side. Then this function will be j omega R4 C4 plus 1. So Z4 equals to R4 upon j omega C4 R4 plus 1. Fine. So to make our calculation easy, we can change Z4 equals to, taking j term outside and take in ns term, numerator term, then this will be minus j R4 upon omega C4 R4 minus iota. Fine. So it is our Z4. So we have calculated all these values, Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. So now we have applied the concept of balance condition. So in balance condition, the equation will be Z1, Z4 equals to Z2, Z3. So we put the value of all these parameters in this equation. The Z1 will be R1 and Z4 will be minus j omega R4. So simply it is written as iota minus R1 R4 upon omega C4 R4 minus iota equals to Z2 will be R2 plus 1 upon j omega C2 multiply by R3, right? So now we just apply the concept of complex conjugate in this equation. Then this equation will be minus iota R1 R4 multiply by complex conjugate in upper side omega C4 R4 plus iota upon omega C4 R4 minus iota multiply omega C4 R4 plus iota equals to R2 R3, taking iota term upper side minus iota R3 upon omega C2. Now by solving this equation, minus j R1 R4 multiply omega C4 R4 plus iota upon omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 equals to R2 R3 minus iota R3 upon omega C2. Now equating the real and imaginary components separately, this function will be minus j omega R1 R4 square C4 plus now look at this iota multiplied by this iota is iota square, and this will be minus 1 and minus minus plus, so this value will be plus R1 R4 upon omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 equals to R2 R3 minus j R3 upon omega C2. So now equating the real and imaginary component, first we equate the imaginary component or real component. The real component will be R1 R4. So R1 R4 upon omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 equals to R2 and R3. This is our real component. Equation number first. And for calculate the imaginary component, this is our imaginary component, j omega term. It is omega R1 R4 square C4 upon omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 equals to R3 upon omega C2. It is our imaginary component. Equation number second. Fine. So by solving the equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, simply it is divide, then the function will be R1 R4 upon omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 upon this function in the denominator term, then it is reciprocal omega square R4 square C4 square plus 1 upon omega R1 R4 square C4 equals to R2 R3, we assume upon 1, then the function will be R3 upon omega C4. Now simply you can solve this equation for the value of frequency. Then here this term is cancelled out. Then the resultant value will be R1 R4 upon omega R1 R4 square C4 equals to then R2 R3 upon 1 omega C4 upon R3. Now cancel out all term which have cancelled out. R1 is cancelled from R1, R4 from R4 square. In this term, R3 cancelled by R3. So the result term will be 1 upon omega R4 C4 equals to omega R2 C2. Now solve for the value of omega. Solve for the value of omega. It is omega square equals to 1 upon R2 C2 R4 C4. We know that omega equals to 2 pi f. Omega equals to 2 pi f. Then omega equals to 1 upon square root of R2 R4 C2 C4. Omega equals to 2 pi f. Then f equals to 1 upon 2 pi square root of R2 R4 C2 C4. Okay. So this is the resultant answer, frequency of the system. So in this problem, what we have to do, we just apply the balance condition and calculate the value of all the impedance and apply in this formula, and simply go for mathematical calculation and find the value of frequency of the system, which is f equals to 1 upon 2 pi square root of R2 R4 C2 and C4. Thank you.